Welcome back, guys. It's Joe from Acklam Car Centre, and today I'm in the awesome Audi RS6 Launch Edition. Now this car is available today. It's going live online, a 2020 69 registration with only 17,000 miles on. Full Audi service history, and being the Launch Edition, it's a very special car with a cracking specification. The car is awesome. For anybody that understands the RS product, certainly the RS6, they'll know already exactly what the car is all about. This being the latest model, what you call the 4th generation, is absolutely stunning. The car is fabulous in every single way because it has power, it has sound, it has great looks, but most importantly for me, it's practical at the same time, and that's what makes this car really special. But it's an RS6, and the RS6 is not subtle, it's still got a flair about the car. Like I said, this one's in ethos black, which is a beautiful colour, with a full black styling pack on it. So starting with the front, you've got the HD matrix LED lights combined with the Audi laser headlights with a dynamic lighting system, which is absolutely mind-blowing the way they work, and the detailing with the blue accents within the headlights casing itself. You've then got the lovely dynamic indicators as well, that sweeping effect, and that's front and rear, followed by your standard RS honeycomb design front grille, which is huge. But then you've also got absolutely huge air intakes as well, the air inlets around the car. On the bottom of the bumpers you'll see are massive to suck in loads of air and do a cracking job, because remember, this is a 4-litre twin turbo V8 engine producing 600 brake horsepower and 0 to 60 time of 3.6 seconds, which is very, very impressive. The car does exactly what it's supposed to do. If you look from the front, you've got the bigger bumpers, which I've mentioned. You've got the lovely flared arches front and rear, and this being the Launch Edition has the upgraded 22-inch Launch Edition design alloy wheels, which are again superb. And if you look at the way they fill the arches, there's very little space between the wheels and the arch, and it sits very low but very aggressively, and it has that great sporty look about it. Now this one has air suspension, has the all-wheel 4-wheel drive system, so all the wheels turn ever so slightly to get you the better turning circle and drive. The car is mega in every single way. With 17,000 miles on, this particular one has been very well looked after. The body is in a beautiful condition, and like I said, with it having full Audi service history, mechanically it's been very well maintained. Down the side you'll notice you've got the side skirts, which have a flare on them again, which then takes you onto the rear arches, which again stick out ever so slightly but in line with the rear wheels. Black window surrounds, some protection glass, and then if you look at the back of the car, it's just stunning. You've got there again the beautiful dynamic rear lighting system with that sweeping effect, all the black styling on the midsection, and that RS twin sports exhaust pipes finished in black, whether it be in the Launch Edition or what you call the oval pipes, a signature feature on all the RS products. That rear valance, that rear diffuser, the way it curves around the exhaust, it just looks again like a sports car should. And being the RS6, which is the Avant version, you'll see the boot space in this car is incredible. Whatever you're going to use the car for, if you're going to use it for sports and hobbies, for family, for business, it'll literally tick every single box. So you can see from the outside the car is stunning. What do you have inside? First of all, you've got this beautiful Audi Sports electric seats in Valcona leather interior with the honeycomb effect. So again, perforated seats with a white stitching which pop out. Bucket styling, so again it nips your kidneys, it holds you in the seat, you feel $1 million. But you've got the full new design touch media system, climate control. You've also got heated seats and ventilated seats down here. The dual zone climate control, may I add. Obviously Apple CarPlay and your other extras. Navigation system, Bluetooth, DAB digital radio. You've then got the full Audi virtual cockpit, paddle shift, flat bottom steering wheel with the RS6 on there. You've got a memory seat with the driver's side as well, and this being a Launch Edition has the full tilt and sliding panoramic roof, which is a massive thing. Another massive thing for me on this car, which is the premium sound system. This car has a Bang & Olufsen sound system in it, which is brilliant quality. If you like your music, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You've got the ambient lighting pack. There's tons and tons of leather everywhere. The car's a very safe car with all the airbags front, rear and side, but it drives brilliant. So right now I'm driving it steady. I'm not driving it like a lunatic, I'm just a steady drive, I'm enjoying it. Now with the Audi products, you have drive select button. You've also got the RS mode on the steering wheel. But I can press the drive select button just down here. I've then got the different options, efficiency, comfort, auto, and you can literally pick and choose what you want. So when you do put it in dynamic mode, the valves open up for the exhaust, it makes a bit more of a grunt, and then it makes the noises that it should. But it goes, it just, but it's effortless as well. It's got such a great gear change, the speed that it lifts up to. And then remember, with being a Quattro, it just sticks to the road like glue. It holds the road incredibly well. But it's comfortable. You know, sometimes you get a nice fast car and you're bouncing everywhere, or you think, well, this is ridiculous. With the air suspension, it takes a lot of the impact. So when I'm in the car at 50 miles an hour or 70 miles an hour, you're not feeling anything really. Everything's soundproof very, very well. It's a great place to be. Whilst the car does look super sporty, to the average eye, you can get away with just being a bit of a sleeper. What I mean by that is, sometimes you won't look at this car and think, well, that's 600 horsepower, that's £100,000 worth. Because it's a bit of a sleeper, it'll just come out with shell and just go crazy. But it is an incredible car. You've got this lovely finish here, which is like the carbon fibre effect down here, the twin cup holders, centre armrest, obviously a gearbox with the auto hold and everything else there. I love this, again, cracking sort of piano black finish to the centre dash. The new heating dials here, which are nice as well. Everything feels good quality. When you're buying an Audi, you know what you're buying. When you're buying an RS product, you know exactly what it's going to deliver. And that's what you get with something like this, because it is absolutely mind-blowing. I love the way it drives. I'll wait till I join here in a few seconds and I'll give you a bit of a kick down. You'll enjoy it. When you press the RS product, things change around here on the dials. It does shift. Overtaking in this car is no problem, but even like sort of driving in the back roads and stuff, you're going to have such a great time with it because it's Quattro. It's an RS6. They're awesome. The gear change is so smooth. Pop back's lovely as well. You probably can't hear it, but I'll try to get it on for you. You can hear it. It is brilliant in every single way. Because like I say, you get a lot of my customers do want this high performance car or this type of car, but they need the space. So they love an M5, but it's just the boot's too small for them. Or an E63 and the boot's too small for them. I genuinely think the RS6 ticks every single box, and it is. They're super reliable as well, and that's what you want. You want a car you can get in, drive every day, really enjoy it, get back out of it, and just sort of can't wait to get back into it. I think the RS6 is a brilliant car. I think it does exactly what it's supposed to do. This being the launch edition just makes it a bit more special, and with only 17,000 miles on, in the correct colour combination, with them wheels, laser headlights, the panoramic roof, the Bang & Olufsen sound system, it ticks every single box. I love it, and I'm sure you will as well. Thanks for watching. Like, follow, and just drop me a little line below if you want a certain car for me to review, and I'll be more than happy to do that. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.